Hi bazala bamzitho, welcome to Umgosi noMagatsheni. I am uMagatsheni, umgosi wethu wanamhlanje bazala bami. It's about Uthando Nesithembu season 9 trailer. Guys, seyiphumile trailer of season 9 and Uthando Nesithembu luzoqala ukudlala on February the 9th, guys. Yabo, at this point I think nje yonke i-DStv mayinika umseleki imali, especially Mzansi Magic, because the only time I'm watching TV is when kudlala Uthando Nesithembu, izingane zethembu, Uthando Nesithembu uncut. Ayikho ni-reality show enginika nje umfutho ukuthi awuthini, let me search or let me just ngifake i-reminder ukuthi ngiyibukele or ngi-catch up. None, guys, I don't wanna lie, none. Okay, bazama oxaba but abafiki umseleko. I think kumele sibanike a second chance bathole season 2 but abafiki abantu bakamseleko, guys. The trailer is out and it seems like season 9 izosinika more fire like always, but ke season 9 engathiza negacini. We know that uMsamsele ukuthekela amakhosikazi wakhe izindlu abasahlali eMzumbe, but guys, judging from what I've seen, I feel like that was the worst mistake uMusa yenzile. I don't know why ngimzwela ubuhlungu, because more especially lababa makathi uwo obayenze ukuthi baphume, banika ama-option ukuthi baphume egcekeni, because mina what I know ukuthi ekhaya, like ekhaya kini endlunkulu la kuhlala khona akumelanga kusala kunganamuntu. So now kibo umseleko akusanamuntu, so that means umuzwa kibo umseleko sowufile or uyafa kancane kancane. And I think umseleko yingakho apressurize uMpumelelo ukuthi athathe amanye amakhosikazi, because ufuna ukuthi umuzi uvuke, because yena uyabona ukuthi I failed ukuvusa umuzi wasekhaya, I failed ukuvusa umuzi kaFlo, but lo mntana bakangenzeli lo msebenzi. Ingakho mhlambe ajaha uMpumelelo ukuthi athathe isithembu, and ingakho ajaha uMpumelelo ukuthi ajwayeze amakhosikazi wakhe ukuthi azohlala eMzumbe. But you know wakhe funny enough uwakhiphile. It was so sad, guys, seeing ubaba umuzi achanyela. So njengoba lamakhosikazi angasahlali lapha so anemizabo, guys, do wanna tell me ukuthi abezi ukuzomklinela? So nje eMzumbe kuzohlala kunqole. Oh, uMakhwela, I've seen someone athi uMakhwela sekahlala endlini kamamkhulu yakudala, umamkhulu uthengele indlu entsha, but I guess that part sizoyibona on the season 9 of Uthando Nesithembu. I'm not sure about it, angina sure ngayo, but seeing ukuthi umuzi lo mseleko has been praying ukuthi ume, has been praying ukuthi ube no-unity, has been praying ukuthi ayenze ugogo wakhe nomakhe very proud now. So uyawasana even unkosikazi oyi-1. It's so sad, I don't wanna lie. Ibuhlungu ukubona la nto leya, but I know ukuthi abanye abantu abaningi bazothi uzenzile ngokuthatha unumber 5, uzenzile ngokuba greedy, wayafuna abanye amakhosikazi kubena namanye amakhosikazi. Kodwa kubuhlungu, guys, I don't wanna lie. For me, ngibone la scene very emotional. Just imagine ubaba omuzi, umuntu onamakhosikazi ayi-4, uyaziklinela. You know, sometimes ne ma unkosikazi womuntu khona ezinye izinto that you should not allow ukuthi zenzeke kakho. As much as ma umyeni, you should not allow zenzeke kakho. Awukwazi ukuthi ube unkosikazi womuntu then ufile so proud ukuthi indoda yakho enamakhosikazi ayi-4 iyaziwashela. Awukwazi ukuthi umyeni womuntu ube nje so proud ukuthi mina ngihlala, umfazi wami la hlala khona uyazibhadalela i-rent, or umfazi wami la hlala khona uyazibhadalela that bond. Yabona, ezenze izinto as a man masingatshintshisanini ngama-rules. Yes, I know the 50-50% thing works for a lot of people, but ezinye izinto as a man you should not allow ukuthi zenzeke kakho, and as a woman you should not allow ukuthi, yabona ukuthi umuntu angakubekela amabhodi ufike ucedele because of work, you understand? But iwashini bafethu, iwashini awashe nje umuntu, awashe nje futhi more special hand wash. Guys, I spend fair, but that is my honest opinion, that is my opinion bazala bami. That part I felt it was so emotional for me, seeing umseleko waklina kakhe, and I don't think umseleko maybe uke waziklinela before empilweni yakhe, no, unless the time ugogo wakhe uma wakhe wayegula, maybe kuleso sikhathi. I don't think ukuthi the past 20 years uke wawubamba umchanyelo wachanyela, but sokumele achanyele now saka more than 20 years ashadile. That is so emotional for me. That was not a good thing or a great scene for me, guys. Then ke baveze umayeni sekathi iphutha alenzile empilweni yakhe ukuthi abuyelane noMusa Mseleko. One thing about Mayeni, I feel like Mayeni akasamthanda uMusa, and I do not know the reason ukuthi Mayeni ahlale noMusa at this point in. I don't know whether uhleli noMusa ukummora or uhleli noMusa just because usamthanda, usafila ngathi lento ingasebenza, or uhleli noMusa just because of izingane or the years ufila ngathi I spend so many years nale ndoda, so angikwazi ukuyeka now. but yena I don't think ukuthi umayeni usamthanda uMusa because uthi i-mistake ayenzile ukubeka noMusa. We know that last season, which was season 8, uMusa mazocala ukugula umayeni bekasabuyele kubo, and it seemed like umayeni noMusa into yabo yaphela because umayeni bekasabuyele kubo ahlala kubo. Into eyenza ukuthi aphinde abuye mhlawumbe empilweni kaMusa ukuthi uMusa uye wagula and uya-admithiwe, and the time agula uMusa bokubonakala ngathi uzohamba emhlabeni. Mhlawumbe leyo nto leyo bathusile, and it made them to see how importance kaMusa empilweni yabo, and it made them to understand ukuthi ukuhamba kaMusa emhlabeni abantwana babo bazoba affected kakhulu more than anything. I feel like sebahleli nje just because of ingane, or sebahleli nje just because you know what, at the end of the day idingo zengane zakhe uyazenza, because amakhosikazi kaMusa Msilo angacomplain, amakhosikazi kaMusa Msilo angakhuluma konke, but I've never heard them bathi uMusa Msilo akazondla ingane zabo. I've never heard them bathi uMusa Msilo akabawondla zamakhosikazi. I've never heard them bathi uMusa Msilo kuyabafeyila like ezinye izinto. Into abakhala ngaso ukuthi awurenovate, but ake kuze umuntu athi kubanje wabhadalanga school fees engane. And we know guys ukuthi emizini la bakhona abanye abomama uthola ukuthi nini ubaba uzoskipha school fees, but when it comes to ingane zakhe uMusa uphuma all out. When it comes to ingane zakhe ubeka ingane zakhe phambili. That one we all know it, ne? So umayeni uthi akayazi ukuthi reason ukuthi abela noMusa, but it seems like umayeni she's not happy. My sister, njengoba sohlala kakhulu ahle lo baba uqhubeka uyihlale kakho ngokuthula. Anyway, when you gave lo baba everything ayifuna, of which ingane athi ufuna ingane, we gave lo baba wena ingane ezi3, which is 6, 3 boys 3 girls. Angithi wena umnike 3, umntana wakho amnika izukulu ezi3. That means it's 3 boys 3 girls. Amkoleti lo baba nalokho okuflow amkoleti. So if you feel like you are not happy, yenza lo baba ukuthula nawe uzenzela ukuthula, uphume empilweni lo baba aqhubeka athatha abanye amakhosikazi. And you do not have to do that ngendlela yokudelela. If you feel like you are no longer happy, and ukuba noMusa kuyakudepress, and ukuba noMusa kwenza ukuthi ungasawazi nokubekezeleka. I-divorce, guys, is not a bad thing. No one get married to be divorced, but sometimes izimo zempilo zikwenza ukuthi uhlukane nalo muntu, ngoba if alisekho uthando nenhlonipho ayisekho into enizoyihlalela, to be honest. So umayeni we know nje futhi ingoma yakhe ukuthi uMusa akamenzi happy, ingoma yakhe ukuthi uzohamba nengane zakhe. So by now we all know ukuthi yiso storyline sakhe leso. Then they also showed uMakhumalo. Guys, I do feel sorry for Makhumalo. I do not want to lie. I feel so sorry for uMakhumalo, because when she says I gave it all, and in the process of me giving it all, I lost myself. Iqiniso, guys. Ayikekho unkosikazi kaMusa Mseleku oseka uMusa Mseleku njengoMakhumalo. Yes, singasho ukuthi uMakhumalo uyipick me, uMakhumalo yena, but akekho umuntu unkosikazi kaMusa Mseleku oseve uMusa Mseleku njengoMakhumalo. Akekho unkosikazi kaMusa Mseleku who understood the vision and everything kaMusa Mseleku njengoMakhumalo. Akekho unkosikazi kaMusa Mseleku who has been respecting uMusa Mseleku njengoMakhumalo, guys. Akekho. I've never seen in the previous seasons wonke unkosikazi kaMusa Mseleku uke wakhuluma noMusa Mseleku ngendlela engekho right, but uMakhumalo even up to date amasini mina ngabonile noma ngabe akavumelani noMusa, indlela akhuluma ngayo, manner of approach, le mfazi uyamhlonipha la baba lwe. uMakhumalo uyamhlonipha uMusa Mseleku, umhlonipha ngakho konke. I've seen a lot of people bathi umhlonipha ngoba wamthola amncane, ngoba umkhulisile, kodwa egcine at the end of the day usamhloniphe and usamazi ukuthi umyeni wakhe. And ayikho into emnandi njengokuthi umuntu umtholanga nalutho uhlale naye abe na something aqhubeka akunike the respect that you deserve, which is uMakhumalo. uMakhumalo noma ngabe sesimazi ukuthi unemali, uvele TV, usebenza nama brand deals amaningi, she's working on a radio, motivational speaker, but apha nalokho ayenza imali eningi udla wonke amakhosikazi. And kuhamba nesigaba khona amabhizinisi kaMusa engathi wayengayenzi kahle, but uMakhumalo ikhampani yakhe yayiyenza kahle. Still uMakhumalo wayemhlonipha uMusa Mseleku. Akazi uMakhumalo wa disrespect uMusa Mseleku publicly. Yes, we've seen umayeni athi naye uMusa athi when the cameras are off uMakhumalo ba omunye umuntu, when the cameras are on uMakhumalo ba omunye umuntu. But remember Tina, we are talking on what we see. We are talking based on what we see on TV. Asivele sikhuluma into engekho, sikhuluma into esibona ku TV. So Tina sikhuluma ngento esinika yona, not into esingayazi esizwa ngomunye umuntu. I feel like uMakhumalo, more especially when it comes endabeni zengane, ngifile ngathi uMusa Mseleku ube very selfish, because yena le ngane ayifunayo une option ukuthi azithole ngaphandle, but akanika uMakhumalo chance ukuthi athole ingane yakhe. They could have just done the process ukuthi uMakhumalo ingane yakhe, because inkinga kaMakhumalo engathi akakwazi ukubamba ingane full term, if I'm not mistaken. inkinga yiphi, not ukuthi akabazi ukubathola abantwana. Uyakwazi angakwazi ukubathola abantwana, and we know ukuthi that process angacela nanoma ubani, angafuna noma, they could even pay someone because they have money. They could even pay someone ukuthi abambe ingane kaMakhumalo, uMakhumalo naye abe nengane ekweyakhe. And I feel like uMusa Msweli ufeyile uMakhumalo kakhulu there, because uyabaza amakhosikazi wakhe, ubonile the time bayaloku abancenga ukuthi hayibo umuzi kaMakhumalo kumele uvuke. No one was willing ukuthi athi okay, especially mina ngathi umnini uzawuvusa umuzi. No one was willing. Instead abantu bebatshengisa ukuthi they don't care, engathi le nkinga bakuyinkinga kaMakhumalo lo Musa benje bana ukuthi sinkinga yakho nomkakho, cela usikhiphe thina lapho. We understand. So I felt like uMusa ufeyile uMakhumalo makuza lapho, because I remember last time babakhuluma about the process, ngikhohle igama lale process. The process kuthiwa iyenza if you are under the age of 35. Chances ukuthi abe right after 35, it is like ama-chances wakho ukuthi ibe right iphumelele are very slim. We understand. And uMakhumalo ngathi 36 turning 37 somewhere there. We understand ukuthi usekancitsha uMakhumalo ithuba lokuthi abe umama. Yes, uMakhumalo you know now ukuthi umama ingane ze-11 ezamusa, but into ebuhlungu ukuthi uyasazi isimo abaphila kuso, uyayazi impilo abayiphilayo ukuthi lamakhosikazi they won't allow uMakhumalo ukuthi athathe ingane zabo. Alamakhosikazi angeke ajabule aphila noma ashonile ukuthi mhlambe kuthiwa no ulwandle uzovusa umuzi kaMakhumalo. Ngeke baze bavuma, angeke. Like lapha kamayibona lapha baphila engathi ama-siblings azondanayo, baphila engathi ama-siblings azondanayo. And that scene, it was also emotional for me. I feel like uMusa manje naye mela save umuntu omsevayo. The advice and the ways awanika uMakhumalo the time ukuthi yeke ukuseva abantu abangakusave, I think mela apply kuye manje ukuthi save unkosikazi okusevayo. Give someone, nika umuntu into akunika yona, okudelela imdelelo, okuhlonipha imhlonipho, ungaveli ufaka abantu ebhodweni elibani bagucoze ngekhezo liwani. No, it's wrong. Then they also showed uMangwabe guys nabo Maqele abakhuluma kakhulu. Not uMangwabe, uMakhwela, the last wife. And it seems like attitude kaMakhwela, guys. I-attitude abana nje uMusa uzowabona ama-2000. I'm telling you, umfazi ogcina lo. I-attitude kaMakhwela, and I don't think ukuthi uMusa ukhetha umuntu right for number 5, because it seems like uMakhwela ukunika what you are giving her, and uMakhwela anyeke azabancenge namanye amakhosikazi, and kuzoba difficult ke ukuthi uMusa le unit ayifuna ayithole from Makhwela. Alapho ngiyabheja. Lapho ngiyabheja guys, but nje ulilo lonke I'm waiting for episode 1 ezodlala on channel 161 nge-9 February. I'm looking forward to that episode. I know ukuthi they'll give us more content and they'll give us more drama. I love nje uthando nesithembu, but wasalamzitho, please comment down below your thoughts, and please don't forget to like, subscribe, share and hit that notification button. Nginithanda ukuya nokubuya.